Hello all, so let's play a little catch up on my life. It is the third quarter of my second year of college and we are getting ready to finish up finals. I have a critique in about an hour, and before then I'm going to eat my breakfast and shower, and then when I finish with that, I'm gonna go to work. This is the last couple of days before I'm doing something pretty big. I'm going to Iceland with a bunch of my friends, so I thought it would be fun to vlog the lead up to that. I know I'm incredibly inconsistent in when I actually remember to record and then actually upload those videos, because trust me, I've got a lot of vlog footage that has never seen the internet. Given that it is August and I'm just now editing this, nothing has changed. That's okay. But we're gonna see what we can do with this bit. Hopefully it should be a good time.
Hey guys, it's Marissa.
That was my roommate. We are back from work.
I don't want to be in that.
Michaela's working on her finals still. She has a massive paper thing.
Thanks, Dave. It's okay, you're awesome if you ever decide to watch this. I'm not bitter.
I seriously hope he doesn't find this channel. I don't know why he would. As you can see, I've barely packed, so we're gonna do that. I'm doing my last load of laundry right now, and so once that's done, I will be able to pack up all of my clothes except for my outfit tomorrow. It's going great. It's really, really good. I had a Red Bull, as you can probably tell. And yeah, I'm super behind on packing. I'm gonna turn in my programming final soon, and then I will finish up everything that has to do with cleaning. And hopefully move out tomorrow. It's fine, I'm fine. Yes. Fine. Alright, it is midnight. Michaela is studying. I'm about to take down all of the decor stuff, and I've been packing desk things, and my laundry just finished drying, and so I'm going to go get that soon, and then I'm going to keep on packing, and I probably won't talk to you again until tomorrow when I'm hopefully working on some more stuff in the morning, because I got to get stuff done, and Michaela's got to study, and that's that. First, hi guys, next morning. I'm mad, obviously. This is...
You know,
We're trying to move out.
It wouldn't be a complete experience if we didn't have one last final
Fire alarm. Yeah. So this is cool. I've got my breakfast, my books. We're gonna go return things. Love that. They came to make sure no one had burned the dorm down. I think they had success. I've been at work all day. This is our cube of stickers for returning books. I'm gonna go home soon and pack up the rest of my room and then really go home. First I'm gonna eat dinner. They're coming down. Oh my goodness. Ah, got it. We are very surely but slowly packing up.
Bye-bye.
Alright, it took freaking forever, but it is 3 a.m. and I am in my own bed, and I'm gonna go to bed now. So, see you tomorrow.
Marissa, I'm taking your video.
Ah, okay. You're not sideways.
So good.
We have made it to Costco. We're getting the first food of the day, and Michaela's waiting for her hot dog still.
It's coming.
And soon we will be eating, and it'll be great. And we are really consciously aware of the fact that we are the loud Americans.
Yeah, you?
After Costco, we headed to a national park in Iceland that has the boundary between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates.
Look like I know how to say this word.
We're at our first stop.
You jumped to Durban. It's approximately 76 kilometers outside of Reykjavik,
We're on
Iceland.
Hey Jocelyn. We're at our first place that we don't know the name of because we can't pronounce it. And
I don't think that's
Jocelyn, you knew what we're looking at.
I think so.
So,
With a TH sound.
in theory, we should be seeing where the tectonic plates of, what is it, the
North America and Europe.
North America and
Separate.
Europe separate, which is
Yay.
pretty dang cool. So we're gonna go do that. This is where the tectonic plates meet, and here we have Isaiah. Reaction? I like it. It's nature. And then on to see a geyser. I really enjoy how on their sign over there they said that the nearest hospital was like 64 kilometers away. So don't fool around and touch the hot water. Okay, kids? Jocelyn. So we're at the geyser, and Isaiah's drone is somewhere up there.
It sounds like a bumblebee.
And
It does.
he's over back behind us.
He's working.
And yeah, insert a clip of the geyser that Michaela took.
Because I'm awesome.
And because I was kind of recording it sideways.
Just gonna let it go. That was jump. Did you really?
Oh yeah. So I don't know if you can hear any of this right now.
Oh, I'm so
'cause
cold.
It's really windy. But we found this church type thing that you can see in the back that we saw on our way out here. And we're not 100% sure what it is.
Jocelyn became
But
a snowman.
we decided to come see it. And so that's what we're doing. And Isaiah's flying the drone.
This
very
is gonna be the
cold.
whole trip. We're gonna look. We're gonna be cold. Isaiah's flying the drone.
Yeah.
Iceland.
That's what we're
2019.
That's what we're doing. We're like not honestly sure if it's like a church or like low-key might be a family's personal cemetery.
It's gonna be a church.
There's a lot of graves.
It's gonna be a church.
Yeah, that's also very possible. It's really small. It's really cool. It's very small. Like, it's really pretty.
Star with my hair.
And you can kind of see the moon up there. We have arrived in our Airbnb. It was a harrowing journey. Mostly because we sat in the parking lot for a while and couldn't figure out how to get in because the guy wasn't responding to our calls or texts. But this is us eating our Costco pizza we bought at 10 a.m. this morning. It was like 11 a.m.
It's cold pizza.
It's cold pizza. We're eating cold pizza and oranges.
Lukewarm.
It's cold pizza. And then from where I'm sitting, this is our Airbnb tour. So there's that bed.
It's made actually for Oompa Loompas. That's what it said on the sign, but we couldn't
The
afford
fridge.
something for the full-size people.
And there's a bathroom. There's Jocelyn. There's the counter behind her. There's a rack for clothes. And there's a bunk bed. And these windows that Isaiah keeps hitting his head on.
That's it.
That's the whole tour. We are grocery shopping. We got the yogurts. I got a Fanta, bananas. I'm going to try to get probably a couple protein bars. And that's about it. And then we're going to go see a church. So we made it to the church. And it's kind of massive. Just a little tall. It's just a little up there. Also, can we talk about these doors?
Oh my goodness. Look at this.
This is what happens for the sake of photos
Oh yeah. Ready? 3,
in front of this.
1. Oh, hold on. Okay.
Perfect.
Straight. 3, 2. Wait. Look at me. 3, 2, 1.
Everybody's watching the drone. Killer. Got your drone? In the Airbnb. That's all you get for the morning. Alright, we are in the car. We stopped at a Cronin to get rid of the pizza box from last night and to pick up a few things. I got a croissant, we got some Gatorade and some water, and we are heading to our first destination. All of the weird rocks, all of the weird rocks. It like straight up kind of looks like a really, really choppy ocean froze or something. It's just very strange. You can see so far and look at all of the steam coming out of the mountains.
Are you doing a vlog?
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Hi. How do you feel, Isaiah? Okay. It's really cool. It's cold. Goodness. So we are at, I really should know the names of all these places, but I don't. Something.
I don't know how to pronounce these.
So we're at a cool place, and this is our first big waterfall. So yeah, and I think you can go behind it.
Yeah.
Go behind the waterfall, or do we not? The decision is ours. It's so cold. We're almost behind the waterfall. Michaela and Isaiah are right there. My glasses and hair are completely wet, so that's fine.
We're having a hard time.
It's going great. We're going for it. We're behind the waterfall. We've done that much. My glasses and face are so very wet. I like all the birds that keep flying around the top. I don't see any right now, but there are a lot. And that's the way back up over there. There's one.
Isaiah helped me get up on all the tall places. No dirt.
Where is he? I lost him.
He's doing drone.
He's over there somewhere flying his drone. We are
right
at the mountain. Where's the drone? Oh, there it is. It's up there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's fine. And look at all the birds flying around the waterfall.
Wait, are you doing a
Vlog.
Oh.
Yeah, say hello, Michaela.
Hey, do I look like I just got out of the shower?
Just a little bit damp. I know that my hair is damp.
My hair is gonna be so curly later.
Ooh. Yeah, my hair is it's a little wet, you know, just a little bit. I have to remember to look into the lens and not the screen, but it's a little wet. Okay. All right. Let's go. So beautiful.
Like me.
Ah! Michaela's not getting
Everything is gorgeous, but the mosquitoes keep trying to attack us, so we're going back to the waterfall.
And
Stopped for lunch, and that's about it.
Reach across here. Reach across me. Actually, wait, I'm gonna
Just
give me the phone. I'm not gonna
In the coolest place of all time.
It's true.
So cool. Ooh, you can start to see the snow-capped mountains too in the back.
Should I move it at all?
move it this way.
These are what we call questionable choices, friends.
Holy crap.
It's probably further than that now. I'm sure it's like 150 kilometers away. Please don't. Okay, I can't look.
Oh my god.
God.
I'm really glad that
Yeah, get down from there.
Just finished swimming in this pool. Very mossy, but very fun. And we are currently cleaning off. This is attempt 2. On our way back from the pool. We're not going to encourage him anymore, so we're going to turn it off. I'll tell you later. He made it. He's very proud. Also, the flowers are really, really pretty. And they're everywhere. This is Alaskan lupine. I think it said it was brought here in like the 40s or something.
I think so.
So, and it's kind of considered an invasive species. It's a beautiful invasive species, but anyway. So, a popsicle later, we are at another waterfall. It's gorgeous. And Michaela is a little red dot up there. She's about to disappear behind the rock. Isaiah's somewhere up there as well. They decided to climb, and Jocelyn and I are down here just looking at the waterfall.
I like
which is
this
a good
view a lot better.
It's a good time with less stairs. And I'm currently eating, so don't really want to run up the stairs right now.
No,
But it's gorgeous.
it is.
So quite a few people, but like not too bad. Tons of seagulls. It's just green and beautiful. Wow, okay. Alright, well, I love this so much. I do too. Oh my gosh, look at the rainbows. This is so great. This is so great. It's so perfect.
I love this so much.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Definitely my favorite thing we've seen so far.
Wow.
And it's only day 2.
I know. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
We have reached a really big landmark. It's our first one-lane bridge crossing this area right here, which is clearly gorgeous.
I know I am.
So we've got our one-lane bridge. People seem to have a nice system of waiting for each other, which I feel like wouldn't happen in the US.
You
Well,
know,
it's also because there's not a lot of people going at one time.
you know
That
where it's
also
like
helps.
in like
We did
that
it.
song
We
where
crossed
it's
our
like,
first one-lane bridge.
I'm forever yours. Faithfully.
no, that was the
It's basically like
Visited the plane crash. Pretty sure everyone actually survived, which makes it a little bit better. We took a lot of pictures, and now we're heading out because we walked 40 minutes to get here, so we're gonna try to catch that little, oh, there it is, bus thing, so that we don't have to walk back because it was like 2 miles to get here. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I remember this was one of the things I saw right before I learned we were possibly coming here, and it was like, wow, I'm never gonna see that in person. That's such an interesting thing, and here we are. So that's really cool. So yeah, gonna go catch this bus. We are at pretty much our last place of the day before we go to our Airbnb. It's like 8 o'clock.
Oh my goodness,
I
we've
don't
been
even know.
going
It's
for,
late.
like,
We need to eat dinner.
Like by the end of it'll be a 12-hour day.
Yeah, so we're at Black Sand Beach. It's really cool. We've got some basalt column things over here, and then these cool rocks, and we're very cold. Yeah, so we're gonna go.
Bye.
And we're gonna get some dinner. Dinner of champions. Right?
Hey guys, it's Marissa back at it again with the vlog. We're here in Afternoon Jefferson Birthburg eating dinner.
It's almost 10 o'clock. We're eating our PB&Js.
It's 10 o'clock.
And we got to the Airbnb. And that's about it.
We're gonna order some alcohol.
No.
Okay, hey guys, it's Isaiah. It's almost midnight, and the sun is still out, and Jocelyn is still awake, and Michaela is not, if you can't tell. Zooming does not work on this camera, officially. Okay, that's fine. Okay, but look, holy crap, it's so bright. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so this is literally what the sun is like at midnight. It's practically just dusk indefinitely, and it makes me really tired, but also keeps me awake. And Marissa has taken about 13 hours in the bathroom, and I'm dying because all I want to do is sleep, but my contact won't let me, and I need to take off my socks. I need to brush my teeth. I need to apply face cream, but Marissa's in the bathroom right now, so it won't happen. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.